Okay, the breakdown for the steps, pretty simple. The first step is just going to be a modified grapevine. You can do a grapevine if you know what that is, but otherwise it's just simple steps. We're going to do 2 steps to the right and then 2 steps to the left. So here's what it looks like. Stepping to the right, step with your right foot together, right foot together. And now we're going to go to the left. So when you make this step, you want to keep your weight on your right leg so that your left leg is free so that we can take our 2 steps to the left. And left together, left together. Now when we end here, we want to do a weight change. So before, when we did our 2 steps to the right, it was more of a tap and then a left, and now we're going to step because we need our left foot free again. So now that we've done 2 steps to the right, 2 steps to the left, we've changed our weight, our left foot is free. Now we're going to step forward, and we're going to take our right foot and tap it out to the side, and then take your right foot, step forward, and take your left foot and tap it out to the side. All right, let's try just those. 2 steps to the right, right together, right tap, left together, left step. Then step forward, tap, forward, tap. Now from here, we're going to do a standard cha-cha step. Oh, the scuff. We're going to do a scuff. So we're going to step forward with our left foot, and with our right foot, we're just going to scuff it forward and then step. All right, so let's try just that part. So we've just done our step, tap, step, tap. Now we step forward with the left, scuff, step. All right, now we're going to do the cha-cha step. So this step is going to go into the cha-cha, so we just put our foot down. Yep, so we will step, tap, and now we're going to take 3 little short steps forward. So it's a scuff, step, step, step. Then we're going to take our left foot, step forward, rock back, and now take 3 tiny steps back. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do a rock step again. The right step, rock back, forward, and now we're just going to march in place for 2 steps. Step, step. So let's take that all from the taps, the end of the taps. We're going to do a scuff, cha-cha forward, cha-cha back, march, march. And a step, scuff, cha-cha-cha, rock forward, back, cha-cha-cha, rock back, step, march, march. All right, so now is the heel flares. Now is the heel flares. So from here, we're going to put all of our weight on both feet, but on our toes. Not our tippy toes, but just on the ball of our feet, so that our heels are a little off the floor. Not way up in the air, but off the floor. And we're just going to swivel our feet out so our heels go out and then in, and out and in. And that's it for the swivels, very simple. And after that, we're going to shift our weight to our left leg so that our right leg is free. And we're going to do a series of heel and toe taps. This is a very common country line dance step. With the right foot, tap heel, heel twice in front. And then you're going to tap your toe behind you twice. Toe and toe. And then we're going to tap our heel in front again, but one time. Heel, now to the side, side, back. And we're going to lift up our foot and turn. And that's on one beat. So, in the timing, it goes heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, side, back, turn. And then from here, you're supposed to do our side together. From the start, go slow, to the right. Side, together, side, tap, left, together, left, step. Step forward, tap to the side, forward, side, step, scuff. Cha-cha-cha, right forward, back, cha-cha-cha, rock back, forward, march, march, heel, flare, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, side, toe, turn. And then you start over. One more time with the back view. And right, tap to the left. Step, step, tap, step, tap, step, scuff. Cha-cha-cha, rock forward. Cha-cha-cha, rock back. March, march, heel, flare, heel, flare. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, side, toe, turn. All right?